Alright guys, welcome back to another vlog. Yo, the messed up thing about this is like the twisted this thing is twisting my tongue up. The Twisted Spirits party I did not go to last night. As you guys already know, like I'm here for relaxation or vacation, and if I feel tired, I'm just not gonna go to the event. It was supposed to be like a pajama party. The last party that we went to last night was done at like maybe 10 o'clock. I came back home at like at 8. I came back home at like maybe 11:20, trying to mess around with Instagram photos and stuff. Yo, it didn't make any sense for me, man. So I just slept. The main reason too, I knew that I was checking out today. Today's my checkout day. So I was like, you know what, this don't make no sense. I have to be up by at least 10 o'clock, which I was. I got up by like 9:40 to get ready. As you guys can see, you know, most stuff are out of the way. You know, packing up some stuff, pretty much. You know, kind of make sure everything is a bit neater for them to, you know, deal with. Use towels, put on the floor. So all I have to do is just grab that up. Bar of soap. I don't need that, so I can toss it. And yeah. Pretty much, you know, as I always tell you guys, you know, do your rounds, looking every single section, because you might be leaving something. You know, if you think about it, if you leave a charger, that's $30 that you just lost, you know what I mean? So I just look around. I know I didn't use these drawers or anything like that still, so these don't really bother me, but you know, for you when you're leaving, you check these stuff. But anyway, oh, there's this one annoying thing I didn't like this morning. Like the helper, she came and she was like, oh, check out at 11 because I have somebody coming at 12. And I'm like, okay. And she's like, okay, so I'm gonna give you your time. And she went in this whole long talking. Man, I wanted to sleep. Like, why were we talking about this? You see me? Which I really didn't like that. They gave me, and I was saying to her, well, checkout's supposed to be 2, so like, you don't gotta worry, because on the system it says 2 o'clock anyway. But whatever. You know, that was kind of a bit annoying still. And yeah. I was about to say something, but I don't remember. Anyway. Oh, now I remember after, because I went outside, the sun energized my brain a little bit. Now I remember. So last night I fell asleep, right? I was on the phone, fell asleep, and then like maybe at 4 or 5 o'clock this morning I heard my door knocking. I was like, hello, who is it? Hello? And someone was like, you left your key in the door. I was like, oh my gosh. So someone could have just took my key, drove off with my car or something, or opened up, you know what I'm saying? Took my stuff, or if it's a girl, you know, opened the door and guys, so pretty much I'm in the car now at 10:58. You guys can see. Come on, camera, do your thing, Baba. Come on. Better. 10:58. So I left with 2 minutes to spare. Actually, I've been in the car for a few minutes anyway. So yeah, I left on time. I'm about to head by Matthew. I'm gonna stay there for the night, and then tomorrow, because we have 2 more parties. We have Igloo, which is like starts at 2, but we're not from 2. And then after Igloo, we're gonna have Juve, which is the one that I really want to go to tonight. So it's gonna be crazy. And that party finishes at 4 a.m. or 5. Get back to Matthew's, maybe sleep for like 5 hours or so, and then head back on the road to Kingston. So let's see how productive today can be. And of course, as always, man, I gotta take you with me everywhere I go. Alright guys, so right now I'm outside on the balcony at Matthew's place. I was inside, you know, under the AC and stuff, but here has a better view than my apartment in terms of looking out on the beach. So as you guys might can see over there, the beach is just right over there, which is really cool. I like that. Anyway, I'm just gonna sort out some stuff on the internet because I didn't have any internet here. I had a few stuff that I got sent in from Ship Me, so I need to do up my invoices real quick, and then what did I have to do again? Then look at some stuff for work, and then I'll be good. These niggas are crazy, man. Yeah, I got mash up so anything today. I'm mad thing. See any boss right there, so? Last night I barely but walk in. I ain't carry in, I swear. So again, stop off by the road again. Matty gonna link up with all of him friend there. Right now, I did be hungry still, and I'm so hungry. Food inside of the car, but I mean, I don't want to eat, everybody else eat after me. You mad? That's all I eat. I wanna go eat food. Spice. Sweet spice. Guys, I had to take away myself. Zimmy come in the car to eat some food because these guys out here are flexing. That's what they do, man. They're good flexers, you know what I'm saying? Posing up with the Hennessy and stuff, drinking, smoking, beating music and stuff, you see me? But me hungry, food come first. You brought them there? It's crazy. Just in case you guys might be hungry, got fried chicken again, except this time I got oxtail gravy, you know what I mean? Veg there, rice and peas with oxtail gravy in it again. Trust me, I love oxtail. I got my tropical rhythm mango carrot on deck. Guys, like legit feel niggeritis attack me. I just want to sleep right now, but we're at the beach as I promised. I'm not gonna swim in here, but yo, the beach, the water. Yeah, look. Whoa. This is mad bright. So bright out here. So bright. Yo, it's too hot out here, man. Oh gosh. Oh. I had to come under this thing, man. So pretty much waiting on Darian. That's Matthew's brother. Oh. It's nice out here. Hello about bashment, no?
He said some jerk.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah?
And it goes by spicy.
No Jamaican.
Love, yeah, daggering. Yeah. And I open him, just keep my fingers crossed, and I shot.
So she talked about a guy that's way out there. I'm on the G7 next to the zoom is very slow. Yeah, the guy you see coming in the yellow top.
Don't show the vlog there, because I'm not sure. Cook lobster.
Cook lobster. So guys, it's not bashment. Hold on. Hold on.
No, remember, say a pan, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, man, man.
A sample. I got a sample.
You know,
Yeah, man, thanks, Steven.
you want to? No, just two, you know, Anon. So that, guys, this was Jamaica. Got some lobster cook up for us fresh. Let them know I'm living like a tourist.
Don't.
Yeah. You think we can live on my island and I live like a tourist?
Don't.
Yeah.
Stuck on an
Separate
island.
plate that.
That's what the vlog is about, you know, stuck on an island, baby.
Pepper
We're gonna sing sauce and talk about who got the sauce and this man have the sauce.
Oh Lord.
You know what I mean?
Ladies first.
Someone, what kind of sauce? Garlic?
Yeah man, garlic and butter.
What a sauce, man.
Lime different.
This some
Baby. Pepper you say one?
Go bite the pepper.
Ada. Pepper is a thing.
See it red? This man got the sauce. Hey, you know.
See lime? Baby, baby man.
Squeeze it, Panny.
Yeah man. Yeah man.
I'll give you everything, man. Fuck everything.
Napkin.
Napkin. Oh gosh. Give thanks, you know. Look at that vlog, bro. I like this kind of service, you know what I mean?
People.
It's a rich lifestyle.
Shrimp. That's all. One lady I come next to her name Shrimpy.
Mommy!
See Shrimpy there? Shrimpy are forward there now.
What's your shrimp there?
I reckon we are at the stairs.
You know if you run, mommy.
I went for the camera. You know, mash
What's
up.
up, man?
I'm honest with you.
Give me one in front.
You want mate?
No, sir. No, right. Oh, no, I can't eat it.
Yeah, put me in the camera. No, I'm going to fuck a plate right now.
Dog could just start saying, yeah. So my man out the side chill. Just a chill on the glass bottom boat. Just watch the waves on the boat with a rock.
Fresh caught.
What you say? Oh, that lobster. Biggie.
But I never take garlic butter on it. After this lime on it.
This is really.
The vlog, taste it.
On a cereal plate.
Where you staying?
Evidence.
You don't know how to eat lobster, Stephen. Negative.
What a waste.
No.
Very much so.
No. It's all good.
The lobster.
You see, we see Darian. Darian. Eh?
You waste the lobster.
It's whatever, man.
You waste the lobster.
That's pretty good though.
You did though. You waste the lobster. Color on what? Yeah, man. Yeah.
Oh gosh. Guys, I'm just out here just looking at the view. It's pretty neat out here. And I'm eating coconut drops. I think when I went to Ochi the first time, I showed you guys peanut drops, which is it's like peanut brittle in the US but better. Where you have peanuts made of sugar and a bit of ginger, but this is different. It's coconut. So when the coconut gets hard on the tree, they cut out the coconut part inside and then they break it up, put with sugar, ginger, and maybe some other stuff that I don't know about, but this is really fresh and it's like I can't even explain it. It's kind of like crunchy on the outside, a little bit tender on the inside too. It's good.